Well, emergency officials here in the Pikes Peak region are now urging people to secure their property in preparation for these strong winds.
KRDO News Channel 13 Scott Harrison spoke with the Pikes Peak Regional Emergency Director of that agency. Scott joins us live from the headquarters on Mark Dabbling Boulevard. With that, Scott.
Well, Emergency Management Director Jim Reed told me earlier today that his team started planning for this upcoming weather event at 7 this morning, and now they're going to be working around the clock to ensure that they're ready for whatever comes. Let's start off by showing you some video of damage that we saw from previous windstorms like the one we're going to get tonight. Emergency crews expect to respond to reports of fallen trees or downed power lines. To be safe, officials ask that you stay away from those if you come across them. The Emergency Management Office command post is ready to go as team members continue to plan their strategy through the day. Reed says the best thing you can do to get ready is secure objects on your property.
But we want to make sure that you're more diligent when you're driving because debris does happen. What I see a lot of, or what I have seen a lot of, is trampolines. Those trampolines tend to just come out of nowhere, and you know they pick up the wind and get out of the yard, and they're out in the middle of the street, and they're running down the street, or they're going from house to house.
Now, if you want to report wind damage, Reed says to call the emergency 211 number or use the Go Colorado Springs smartphone app. Crews will arrive as quickly as they can. And you should also ensure that you have everything that you'll need to wait out a power outage if it happens in your area. We have more information about how you can prepare for those high winds right now, KRDO.com. We are live in Colorado Springs. Scott Harrison, KRDO News Channel 13.